we came up with the theme, the overarching theme of making things better, whether it's thinking about their theme and their subject matter, thinking about if they want to approach somebody externally to kind of collaborate. The idea about collaboration within the course and collaborating with other people from different disciplines, and also getting them to think about materials and their resources that they're using and the impact that they have on the climate and their surroundings within the university as well.
So the workshop I developed is interwoven, and we're exploring neurodiversity and the creative mind. My own research has led me to sort of see those connections between neurodiversity and creative practice. What we've been doing today is discussing all of that, and all of our different versions of how we connect with making.
So it's nice hearing that a tutor has dealt with it and someone who has kind of gone through it all already, and it means I can know that there's like ways to cope.
Thank you.